You guys know what time it is. It's time to unpackage our ingredients. As you guys see, I already have out the chicken breast, 2 packages of 10 ounce, and then I have the Monterey Jack cheese, carrots, and then all the potatoes. Literally so many potatoes.
Wow.
You guys can hear my daughter in the background. She's going to be helping me cook today. And we have some panko breadcrumbs. You guys know that we love the panko breadcrumbs over here. And we have some ranch spice.
I'm going first.
And we have some mayonnaise.
Yeah, mayonnaise.
2 packages of mayonnaise and some Sriracha.
I like mayonnaise.
Yeah.
Sriracha, Mom.
And some more ranch spice. Now, let's get into it, mi gente. These just came out of the oven and they look so good. I'm actually gonna throw some Parmesan cheese on top of them. And that's the chicken. Let's take it out. And look at that chicken. Look at that. Oh man, we gotta go plate this. Look at this. Can we just get into this? Look at this. That Monterey Jack.